Create a new file with a white background and a size of 1080 by 1080 pixels. Select the ellipse tool. Then select Shape. Make the fill color white. And select No Color for the stroke. Make a circle that's the same size as your canvas. Create a stroke layer. Copy these settings. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Create 2 columns and 2 rows. Make the gutter 0 pixels. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the ellipse layer. Then press Ctrl+T. Zoom out and place the ellipse in the lower left corner of the canvas. Again, press Ctrl+J to duplicate the ellipse layer. Then press Ctrl+T. Place this ellipse in the lower right corner of the canvas. Go to Edit. Define Pattern. Name your pattern and click OK. You can now delete all the ellipse layers. Create a pattern layer. Select the pattern you just created. Then adjust the scale. Create a gradient map layer if you want to adjust the colors. Change the colors of the gradient to adjust the colors of the pattern. And that's how you create this fish scale pattern.